Hello guys, I am Lokesh from ECE. Today I am going to talk about wireless sensor network and its application. Introduction about wireless sensor network. Wireless sensor network is a wireless network consists of a spatial distributed autonomous device using sensor to cooperate monitorly physical or environment conditions such as temperature, sound, pollution, etc. A collection of sensing device that can communicate wirelessly. Then what is WSN? Even though wireless sensor has a limited resource in memory, computing power, bandwidth, energy, etc., with a small size, it can be embedded in the physical environment. Self-organizing, multi-hop, and dock network. Types of applications: environment, military, healthcare, home automation, agriculture, industry, urban application, security. Here we are going to talk about military. Military application. Military uses sensor network for battlefield surveillance. Sensor could monitor vehicular traffic, track the position of the enemy. Similarly, it has some security application also. Why security is important for WSN? WSN have a application military homeland security as a disaster zone. This means that such a sensor network has mission critical tasks. Security is critical for such as WSN deployed in a hostile environment. In this diagram, we can understand how it is security to the WSN, where it can be used. Similarly, military surveillance, enemy tracking, battlefield surveillance, target detection, monitoring, tracking, and surveillance of the borders, nuclear and biological and chemical attack detection we can find by using the WSN in the military application. Similarly, it has issue in the combat system: field noise, field variation, and background signal. Okay, then next is design consideration: presence, coverage, and network size, life of the sensor, strength, characteristics, and reliability. Presence: the decision has to be taken is there any human being are present during the process of detecting the network, where in some scenarios the commander has been to take the control of the sensor node. Coverage and network size. Coverage is the sensing area of the node. Military standard sensor must require an approximate sensing area, and network size says about the number of nodes. Life of sensor. Some operation lasts for weeks or months or years. In such a case, sensor must last long to provide the intelligence of the war picture, particularly one placed in a hostile environment. Stealthy characteristics. Nowadays, stealthy is not only for human eyes; it is a cover from every native characteristics. Reliability. Data gathering must be reliable for the commander to take the split-second decision. The network must be provided necessary to security to avoid the airways dropping, tampering, and interaction. Diagram represents the base station, aggregate node, and sensor node, how the signal is transferred and how the signal is getted from the nodes. Then design requirements: physical attribution, denial of service, self-formation, data flow, and water tamper-proof. Physical attribution. In most scenarios, the sensor nodes are the hand developed and transported to the field via vehicle or by the soldiers in the backpack, which means the sensor must be small in size and weight. Self-formation. Deployed the sensor node must identify its friend within the range of a range and the network itself to transfer the data using the hoping technique as like ad hoc. Data flow. During the early stages of the concept of WSN technology, particularly during the period of the first generation sensor network, one-way communication is much more enough, but the advanced technology lead to new pieces of second generation sensor. Denial of service. In any instant of physical attack on the sensor node, it must be capable of reporting back to the command center by using the some switches mechanism. Tamper proof. Any single data present in the sensor may lead to national security if it gets in the hands of the third party, so the node must be a tamper proof to secure the data within it. And conclusion: implementing such self-forming sensor will reduce the development and maintenance costs, which also help us to provide better situational awareness and troop readiness in case of military scenario. In civil application, perimeter can be managed efficiently using the wireless sensor. In future, the same will be done in the hardware and real-time operation issue will be discussed. That's all about application of wireless sensor network based on military application. Thanking you.